So namaste guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Windows 10. So basically I'm using Windows 10 from last 1 years, almost 1 years. So I thought I should make a video about how to use, because there are lots of people who are just migrated to Windows 10 and don't know much about the OS, and they got confused and confused for sometimes after they basically do lots of error stuff, then they understand how to use that. So I'm just going to give you a starter view on what's the Windows 10 has. First is taskbar. So taskbar window is, you can see this is a taskbar. So right now I am using the auto hide effect, so it's not hiding, it's automatically going to hide whenever I don't use that as well. But moment scroll my mouse down, is going to show up. If you click on right click on taskbar, you got options to add lots of toolbars, desktop, address bar, link, whatever you want to. So if you go taskbar settings, and here you can see you can use a small button. You can see now is the hide automatic mode. You can see that now is in a small buttons. You can just increase the size. So I'm going to just leave that as a default. So it's now sticky. I just disable auto hide options. Now on the left side, on the left corner, you can see this is the new option which I guess is you got is people. Here you can communicate with other people if you already added them on your computer. Now also the hidden icon, you can see the others icons are there, what's going on your computer background. So Bluetooth is on, touchpad is on, audio manager is on, YouTube is that I'm using, that is also on, and my graphics card and recording software. Here is the cloud apps. OneDrive cloud is automatic on, and I'm using this because I have lots of data which need backup. Now the another option, there is the battery options. If you're using laptop and desktop, it's not going to show. And then there is a Wi-Fi mode. So as you can see, Windows 10, they also give this hotspot option, mobile hotspots. If you have two Wi-Fi devices, you can use your laptop as a hotspot. Right now I have some external Wi-Fi devices, so I am able to use this hotspot. So and then there is the language bar, which I using Sanskrit language also to type. That's the reason it has given this is small language option. And then you can get also calendar. Here you can see this calendar, and then notification bar, notification icons. You can see in the corner right side. If you click here, you get entire notification on what things is happening on your computer, and just got the notifications. And as you can see, this is the tablet mode. If you want, you can convert this to a tablet mode. You can see now it's converted to tablet mode. See how it look. It's now in tablet mode. Come back to desktop mode because I'm not using tablet now. So this is the network, and here is your settings, all settings. The settings, whatever you want to change, you can change. And so this is the setting. Now the file manager, as you can see, I already have made a shortcut of file manager. If you don't have shortcut of file manager, you can just type here file manager and search file manager. Basically this is the my computer which previous version of Windows has. So as you can see, this is this PC. Now change it to, previously it was called as my computer, but now it is this PC. So and as you can see in this, your entire drive and hard disk, whatever you have, everything going to be there. If you connect memory card, a smartphone, this all going to show up here. So right now, as you can see, I have not connected any devices, so that's the reason it's only showing my C drive, which has 1 TB C drive. Actually I did not create another partition on my hard disk, just one partition with C drive. Here is my CD drive, and This is the folders where image alternatives are there. Now on the Windows 10 you got Cortana is essentially AI, artificial intelligence, which you can communicate or talk to her. Yes. Hey Cortana, tell me a joke.
There are two types of people in the world: those who need closure.
So as you can see, it's just AI. We can reply. You can also talk to her. You can book ticket or set timer. There are lots of things you can do with that. So basically, sometimes I'm used to talk to her and open some software applications. Is going to open. Hey Cortana, open the Chrome browser.
According to omgchrome.com, so first, you'll need to make sure Chrome is the default. Open Chrome. Open the Chrome menu. Select Settings.
Open Task Manager.
Sure. Opening Task Manager.
So she's opening Task Manager and she opened. The moment I say her open the Chrome browser, she did not open. Maybe she biased against Google. Microsoft Task Manager. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm just saying. So whatever you give her information to open, she's going to open the file, documents and apps. Now on this search box you will get some other option. As you can see, this is the notebook calendar option. This is the category where you can add your details and flight, inking, news, flight. There are lots of things are there in Windows 10 which was not on Windows 7 or any other OS. You can get everything here: eating, drinking, Cortana tips, traffic, packages, shopping, everything. Weather report, just click on weather report, see how it's done. The settings are there. Now so you can also add a Cortana speaker, just like Amazon Echo. There are lots of Google Home, there are lots of devices available. The Microsoft also has this speaker. Now on the setting option, you can see setting is the same. You can also open from here. You can also open from here Cortana setting. So you can also set Cortana to just say, hey Cortana, she's going to listen to you and do his work. Keyboard shortcut is also there, and Control C to get keyboards. Language for English Indian. That's great. Now on the starting button, as you can see, is the starting button, and from here computer got started. And as you can see, recently added apps, whatever apps you have installed recently is going to appear here. You can expand it and see, and you can also collapse it. Now the apps list going to show in the alphabetic manner. As you can see, a name, whatever with a name application are, they going to show there: B, C, D, F, G. So entire apps going to show here with the alphabetic list. And here is your shortcut apps window. So if you want to use some apps to scroll here, you can also do that. So I'm not going to do that right now, but you can just scroll it and you can do that. You can add this as a pin to start, and it's going to appear here. So whatever you use more, you can pin it here. So I'm just also going to pin this, pin to start, and timber is here. Now as you can see, this is the power button. Here you have options: sleep, shutdown, and restart. The three options are there. And now this is the my account. Your account settings, you can change, lock or sign out, whatever you want to do with your account details. So as you can see, this is my account, and So that's it. What I'm missing now. So that's was the Windows 10. Not too much hard. It's easy. You have just, if you using first time, it's going to give some problem, but after 2 or 3 times it's going to be great. The another great thing which I liked in Windows 10, which has Task Manager. You can see this is Task Manager, and in the Task Manager there is an option which is a startup option. You can see this is my Task Manager, and performance report. As you can see, this performance report, what happening on my computer, graphics details, and then there is startup. Basically Windows 10 is very safer than compared to previous version. The reason is that you get easily access to a startup option. So here you can see there are lots of apps which I'm using, which is on a startup. Torrent is startup. My background audio managing is also in startup mode. So basically when any virus enter, what virus did was virus try to do that is create a registry on a starting mode. So whenever your computer start, it's going to restart itself virus. So if any virus you get affected by any virus, example, if you think this is a virus, you can just disable this. I have just disabled this Microsoft. It's not virus, but I have just disabled this. So if you think any software is listing here which is you do not install it, or you think is suspicious, you can just disable that and restart your computer. Then that app's not going to start again. So that was the great thing about Windows 10, which I very liked here. So this is the things for Windows 10, and so thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.